Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to this new video on Worldcoin. Your daily update. Want to give you a full update right here on what to expect, or at least what I expect. And we'll talk about potential buy areas right here. We'll talk about the trend. Can we rally again? What was this the top, etc. And also we'll talk about some fundamentals, because I think that's necessary for me to talk about regarding Worldcoin at the very least. So that's what we'll do. So let's get right into it. So the first thing I wanted to say, and that's maybe not the best way to start off this video because it's a little bit negative. But Worldcoin for me is 100% not a long-term hold. All right. And I would strongly, if it is one of your long-term holds, I would strongly recommend you to reconsider that. In the end, it's up to you. All right. It always is. But Worldcoin, if you look at the tokenomics, the tokenomics are extremely predatory, all right? Even though, I mean, one of the bullish catalysts that caused this bullish momentum was that the tokenomics have improved, all right? But tokenomics improving does not make them good. And I do think that predatory, whether that's in the next 3 years or next 5 years, doesn't matter. And then apart from that, I mean, there's so much smoke around Worldcoin selling tokens OTC, which basically means they're selling them at a discount. So for example, they would sell them at this point of time for $1.4 per WLD, and that they can, and then the people that actually buy them then, so they send money to the Worldcoin company and they actually get the tokens next year, for example, but they're buying at a ridiculous discount, which with the history of Worldcoin, like Worldcoin here and there just bumps, all right? So that's also what's interesting, and that's also why I'm covering it, and that's also why I do think we will stay bullish, at least for now. But that practice, I think, is quite shady. There's always insider trading, so there's always shady business around Worldcoin, and that in combination with the tokenomics does not make this a great long-term project in my eyes. But all right, if you look at the short term, we actually are still very bullish, all right? You can see on the 12-hour time frame, we're still respecting our main support level. I would say the main support level we have right here is between 2.65 and 2.85 cents. There we have the retest of the 236 fib of this move down. You have the 382 fib. It's in general just a key level. So that's really the main level I'm focusing on right now. And as you can see, we are finding support. I think that's normal that we would find support there. And I actually, that's also what I said. I mean, purely technically, I am still bullish on Worldcoin. I think we can pull back a little bit lower. I even think it's possible that we kind of spike down into 2.5, which is also a major technical and psychological level. So I do expect more bearish momentum, but overall, like yesterday, what I said, and I still stick with that, is yesterday what I said is it's most likely that we'll reach 3.5 as a first price target, and then potentially $4. Those purely technically are the main levels. The thing is that a price of any crypto, even if it's shady, cannot keep rallying up forever, right? So that's, I think, what we're seeing right now, a little bit of a local top. You can also see, if you look at the momentum right here, that there is a bit of a sell-off. So while this sell-off continues, we will continue to drop down. And at this point of time, I don't see enough evidence of any new momentum kicking in. So for me, it's most likely to tell you right now that we will drop down lower. All right, so we'll slowly kind of drop down into this level right here at 2.65 and then potentially 2.5. And then probably very quickly, because that's usually how it goes with Worldcoin, we will gain a lot of momentum. We'll get some sort of a big bullish breakout. For example, right now, that would be above $3. And then we will rally up to 3.5 and then later probably $4. Those are my thoughts on it for now. All right, that's what I think is most likely. At this moment, like I said, it's still a big sell-off. If that open interest starts to reverse, right? So if the open interest starts to rally like it has done in the last couple of days, then the breakout above $3 will become interesting. And if we do get that breakout with momentum, then we'll rally. So that's what we're waiting for. But until then, it's just going to be a gradual, slow sell-off. And that's what I think is most likely for now, still. All right, so those are my thoughts. If you do have any questions, let me know down in the comments. For now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.